In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online, how to add vendors the easy way. Managing your vendors efficiently is an essential part of keeping your business organized and your finances in order. QuickBooks Online makes it simple to track vendor information so you can stay on top of payments, invoices, and more, whether you're new to QuickBooks Online or just looking to streamline your workflow. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of adding vendors quickly and accurately. And if you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Let's dive right in. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you've entered your credentials and successfully logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all of your QuickBooks Online activities. Next, look toward the top left corner of your dashboard. You'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, showing various options for adding different types of records. From this menu, select the option that says Add Vendor. This is the tool we'll use to input details for a new vendor into your QuickBooks Online system. Now, a vendor form will open up, allowing you to enter the necessary details. Start by filling in the vendor name. This is a required field, so make sure to enter the full accurate name of the vendor you're working with after that. Move on to the address section. Input the vendor's address, including any relevant details like the city, state, and zip code. Next, add the vendor's contact information. This typically includes their primary contact name, but you'll also want to include any other details that are available to you. For example, if you have the vendor's phone number and email address, it's a good idea to include these as well. While they're optional fields, having this additional information on file can make it easier to get in touch with your vendor when needed. Once you've completed all the necessary fields and added any optional details, take a moment to double-check your entries. Accuracy is key here, as this information will be used for future communications and transactions. When you're confident everything looks correct, locate the Save button at the bottom of the form and click on it. That's it. You've successfully added a new vendor to your QuickBooks Online system. From here, you can manage transactions, keep track of payments, and maintain a clear record of all vendor-related activities. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.